Oh, good morning. How you guys, how people doing? Well, partner with Anthony. I learned a lot, doing things. But how can I help you to build your online business? You guys have any ideas how you guys want to start? Well, in this pandemic crisis, I think you should start a business. This is a good time to start a business. Why? Well, I'll tell you something. I agree with you. I agree with you. All right. But to me, in my heart, is that when we're going to a little depression, which we are, I think that it's the best time to start an online business. Excuse. So I think that if you start an online business and you work from there and have somebody mentor you, I think you get a lot of value out of it. Like I'm providing value with you right now. So I agree with you if you want to do it. If you decide not to do it, that's okay. Think about it, come back later, and research it again. But I think starting an online business is a great idea. Okay? It's a great idea. You don't have nothing to do, you don't have a job. Maybe you're tired of your job and you want to do something else. And this is what I will do: get into an online business, be an affiliate marketer, promote other people's products. And we have a lot of that on Partner with Anthony. You can learn a lot. You can learn a lot of stuff how to build a business. But you're not going to build a business if you don't know anything. A lot of people get mixed up saying, where do I start? How do I get started? What I do? What I'm going to do? How am I going to do it? They're, they're already worrying about it. That's why a lot of them don't do it because they don't have no coaching. Okay, you gotta get a mentor. You gotta have somebody to help you. All right, and this is why I partner with Anthony because I was just like you. Okay, how am I gonna start? What am I gonna do? How do I get traffic? How to do this? Right? This is what it is. So you start with partner with Anthony, okay? And when you register into this class, okay, you could pay $97 for your lifetime, or you could pay $7 a month. I'd rather pay $7 a month because you know what? I get to learn more. I get to do a lot of things. Another thing that you will learn more, it's digital marketing, networking with other people. Okay, um, I think they talk about a little series. They give you a free funnel that you go out there and promote, and you do a lot of things with it. Okay, and then they have people talking. Okay, millionaires and all that. They give you an idea on how to build your business. What's the best place to start? What are the good and bad and stuff like that? You kind of got the idea. That's what everybody wants to do, right? I even do it. I even want to do that. That's what I want, right? But I'm thinking about you guys because you guys don't have anything. For $7, man, that's cheap, you know? For $7, you could learn a lot of stuff, and that's digital marketing. Another one is Insider Entrepreneur. You could watch Anthony Morrison helping you to build a funnel. Yeah, well, it's a great idea. You know, you're watching somebody how to do it. You have a ClickFunnels account, and you know how to set it up. And you know what? They even give you the funnels, so you could start from there. It's done free funnels for you, and you just go from there. Okay, you only have to press a couple of buttons, and that's about it, and get it live, and that's it. Okay, but the other way around is if you go on ClickFunnels, you want to create your own funnels and you go down the template, you could pick a opt-in page and you have a thank you page. Okay, you could go ahead and design it any way you want. You could do a lot of things with that, you know. But to me, I did that. I did one or two funnels like that. I just pick one and just design it. And there's a lot of things you could do designing a funnel. And like I said, I think it was on a YouTube video. A 13-year-old boy, yeah, he designed a funnel. A lot of kids go to ClickFunnels seminars, and a lot of kids go with their parents, and they're learning how to build a business. How come you don't have a business? How come you don't have one? That's my question. Oh, I don't have time. I can't do this. I can't. Isn't that right? You agree with that, right? I I don't want to do it because I'm busy. I work 20 hours. I work $80 a day at work, and I don't have time. What? You got 24/7. You got a lot of time in the world. You just put on your computer, build one or two funnels, and that's it. That's all you gotta do for yourself. But you guys don't want to do that. You guys are really lazy. I could say, if I could say that. But you know what? I'll tell you what. I'll make a deal with you. Get the free funnel, try it out, and build a funnel for me. All right? Build a funnel for yourself. It could be any business, any niche, whatever you want to do. All right? Just build a funnel and show that to your friends. Say, hey, you know what? I learned how to build a funnel. Look, look, look. And then I'll show you how to connect the tracking links. I'll show you how to connect from the opt-in page to, well, the opt-in page to the thank you page. It's not connected. You have to connect those two. And so I'll show you how to do that. But you have to have a tracking link when you first opt in, and then when they enter their email, and then it goes to the thank you page. All right, so that's pretty well set up in that way. But I could show you a lot of things. I could give you an idea how to get these tracking links, how to do it, how to build out your funnel. The main thing is learning how to build out your funnel. Right? You could build a funnel. There's a lot of templates, and just try it. You know, be creative. But that's the whole thing. Another thing is partner with Anthony. There's, I think, 30 sessions. Okay, they're 24 hours. Once you finish a session, you do another session. So you go from session 1 all the way down to session 30. So that's 30 days if you keep on track, right? You got to keep on track. You got to keep working at it. You got to work hard. And the difference between an inside entrepreneur, you get recurring income. Recurring income is a little different because from your tax return. You're not like a working employee no more. A working employee gets a paycheck, and what they do with it, they don't have no money. No money for them. But when you have recurring income, you always have money coming into your income. You always have money in your. You could pay your bills. You could do that. But that's one thing. We'll talk about that later. But another thing is that once you sign up with partner with Anthony, I think that you're going to learn a lot. You're going to learn a lot more what you want to learn about doing a lot of things. And that's one thing is to learn how to build funnels, learn how to use your autoresponder, learning how to build links. You know how to build a link? Link is not hard. It's pretty easy. But you can learn how to build a link. And there's a training video how to do all these things, right? You guys are scared. You guys don't want to step up the plate, you know? And I already stepped up. I wanted to do it. I put it off a couple of times, but I said, you know what? I gotta do something. I gotta do something better. You know, every day you gotta do something better. Every day I'm doing something. Do Facebook ads. training about Facebook, how you do Facebook ads and what you could do there. Learn how to do Instagram. Learn how to do YouTube. Learn how to do a lot of things. But this is where an entrepreneur learns how to do things. Learn how to help other people. I like to help you, but you have too many questions. You know, I agree with you, but you have too many questions because you don't want to try. You have to try. You gotta take a risk. You guys never take it when you're a working employee. You never took a risk because you're scared. Now, when you're an entrepreneur, if you made a mistake, you made a mistake, but you learn how to fix those mistakes. You learn how to go back to session one or the square, the starting square, and build from there. All right, I agree with you, but you know what the whole thing is? You have to try. Nobody else is not going to do it for you until you try, right? Biden and that president, they're not going to give you nothing. They're going to give you a bunch of shit, a bunch of crap. I don't believe in politics like that. It's me. I want to do something for myself, and that's you. People don't have a stupid and excuse my language, is that they don't have anything in their mind because they're thinking as a working employee. Oh well, you got a conspiracy with the government. Come on now, that's a conspiracy, man. You gotta be on your own now. You have to think on your own and say, hey, I like to get. What happened if I tell you, if you make $500 or $50 every day, would you quit your job? Yeah, you'll quit. You'll quit. You know why? The traffic is coming right now. You got traffic coming. But you know what? Some people don't believe in that. Some people don't care. They don't want to build a business. And when you're an entrepreneur, you could start anytime. From now to 6 o'clock in the afternoon, go watch your kids go play ball, and then you come home. Maybe you go for a jog or go to the gym, talk to some people at the gym, and talk to some more people. You come home, take a shower, go to bed. Maybe you got something on your mind. You get on your laptop, do a little bit of work, say, hey, I have a problem here. Something is not working. Entrepreneurs, it's all right here in your heart. Okay, it's not up here, it's in your heart. How you want to build your funnels out better, or how you want to do things better. What what am I doing wrong? That's what an entrepreneur. On your job, you don't do that. Who does that? Your boss. Your boss says, oh wow, I'll go tell this guy. And he goes tells another guy. Excuse me. And you know what? You don't get no answers because they don't come back to the employee. It's between management now. And then the next day you come in, they're rough on your ass. They say, hey, you know what? You gotta do this, you gotta do that. Right? Being an entrepreneur, you don't have to worry about somebody like that. You're the boss. You're the boss. You know? You don't want to start an e-commerce store. You want to be an affiliate marketer and promote other people's products. Right? That's all you could do. And that's mainly what I want to tell you guys. Don't be afraid. Do it. Don't talk about it. Do it now. All right? I'll talk to you later. Take care. Please subscribe. We'll talk again.